Hey y'all, happy 2023. I think we've really come so far with all of our craft organization. My goal for 2023 is I want to reset, relax, and de-stash. Reset, I'm going to reset my day. I'll be using my planner. Relax. We did our morning yoga. I'm going to breathe. I'm going to help lists focus my day. And my goal is to de-stash. So in here, my plan is we're going to use what we have. Doesn't mean I won't buy more supplies, but it means I won't let the ones that I have go to waste. This is not a crafting video. This is de-stash day 1. I'm about to die of embarrassment. Welcome to my closet. I have all my books at the top. I have 2 shelves worth of paint. Behind that whole wall is a very nice closet that we will get access to. We're going to de-stash the things we don't need, give them to someone who can use them, throw away what we don't need and no one else would want. Thank you, Mary Lou Bailey. I don't think I'd have even started if it weren't for you. sacks of trash, and these are the only things I have to find a place for. I love the Golden Girls. I've watched this so many times. This box has random craft pieces in it. Looks like stencils. Oh good, I labeled it. Stencils, yay! I did not label this one. Looks like cardstock. And this one is infusible ink. I saved my scraps. Now I have to get better at using my scraps. Thanks so much for watching. If I can do it, you can too.